Alright guys, quick unboxing of the StompLab IG. Okay, modeling guitar effects processor. Let's open it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's take it out and show you, take a look around it. Okay, it has these turning knobs here. Okay, that lets you set that up. It has a gain value right here, level value right there. You set on the ground, and you want to, if you have presets or you want to toggle between the effects, you can do that as well. It does have a tuner built into it. Very nice effects. Here's the bottom of it. Okay. Here is the back of it. Okay, so your guitar will plug right in here. Okay, and if you want to monitor what it sounds like, you can have headphones right here. Here is your on-off switch. Okay, it does take DC 9-volt right there, which it does come with it, although I don't have it in there now because I've been using it. But yeah, there it is. Just a quick look at the StompLab by Vox.